the most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood. Teeth like razors to suck the meat from your bone. Yes, when all is said and done, she is a killer. What? Oh, a chinchilla!
Oh, fuck. That's the problem right there. That's the problem right there. You ain't got no damn Obama fluid in here. Look at it. Your head gasket connected to your radiator. Your radiator is sitting on the damn thing. Oh, man. Look at that. Look at that. That's the fucking problem right there. Look at that. The timer belt is hooked up to your brake pad. Your brake pad running off the damn generator. You got a generator in here. Look at that. Damn. Out the birth.
Alright y'all, so in this video, I'm gonna be checking out everything that's wrong with my car since the last Rift event. Alright, so from the last event, I ended up blowing up an axle, or at least the mounting points for my axle, and I ended up having to use some random hardware to like get this thing back together. But this, I'm in gear right now, but alright, so here's my axle. You can see that I have a bunch of mixed match hardware. It's because I blew it up and I ended up having to put it back together with these scrap hardware that I found at the track. And the next problem with my car is this is my e-brake cable. I just have it zip tied to this sway bar because it was rubbing against my drive shaft. So I ended up just zip tying it. Alright, so the next problem is last event my clutch ended up giving out and was getting stuck to the floor. When I checked the master cylinder, it was like completely empty and I ended up refilling it. I don't think I bled it well enough because it's still a little iffy. Like it still gets stuck to the floor and you can see like it's really dirty. It's like black in there. So I'm probably gonna have to end up changing the cable and the cylinder and the slave. Next, I have a missing header bolt. I got a broken stud in there. I don't know if you can see that, but the stud snapped on me. And I tried to drill it out and it was working, and then the bit snapped in the stud. So, yeah. Oh, other than that, my brakes, they're pretty old. As far as I know, they could be like 30 years old. Who knows? I might as well just upgrade my brake calipers while I'm at it. Maybe some Z32 brake calipers. Or who knows, I don't know. You gotta see whatever's out there in the market. I also want to get dual calipers for the rear. Reason I want to get dual calipers because I got this Hydro, which I probably don't need. I never even use my e-brake when I drift. I just thought it would be cool to have. But it's not even hooked up. No cable, no nothing. Because I don't got no caliper to hook it up to. Alright, so you guys probably saw my battery hooked up, charging. Because I left the door open and drained the battery. And just for fun, we're gonna see if I still got any charge left. If I can start the car. Oh shit. Nope, it's completely dead. Oh wait, actually the battery's still not hooked up. Hold up. So actually the battery was hooked up, but I just had the charger on the battery like this. And I guess that just wasn't enough for it to charge. So we're gonna take the terminals off here. Try to do it with one hand. Oh shit. Oh. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and try to charge it again. See if this works. Like maybe by tomorrow or something. Who knows? Let's see what does this say. Shit doesn't say shit. Battery might be dead. Hold on. Oh shit. Alright, let's see if this thing can save it. So yeah, I mean, I don't know. That's about all the problems I have so far mechanically. I mean, let me check the clutch pedal. See if it's still. Now it's come all the way up. I don't know if it's gonna keep doing that though. It could bleed out. I don't know. I don't really trust it right now. So, oh yeah, look. Looks like it's not all the way to the top. Yeah, see? Yeah, it's definitely sounds fucked up about it. Definitely gotta get that checked out. Man, I only got much to do in this video. Might not even post it, to be honest. Who knows? I mean, I guess I could just point out all the little things wrong with it. I mean, obviously, needs to be painted. Needs to be painted. Kit's getting fucked up for being low. Got like cracks and chips everywhere. So I'm gonna have to learn how to do some body work. Bay is pretty dusty. I need to get my front and rear windshield molding put in. I have it laying around right here too. Just waiting though because I need to get the car painted. Looks like there's a little bit of rust that could be underneath the windshield glass and the rear windshield glass. So gotta get that removed and checked out. I mean, I got this crack in my windshield. Let's see. Actually, I did this by accident. I had a little chip right here that I was trying to repair, and when I was installing the little bracket that goes on here so you can get the resin whatever in there, I was pressing down too hard, and I ended up creating this large crack in it. So that was my fault. That was it's a really dumb mistake. Sucks because this was a new glass too, and whatever. So I'm gonna fix that. Gotta put my cage back in. I don't know when. I'm trying to get it chromed, so we'll see whenever. I'll put that back in. Oh, forgot. I had a flat tire in this front tire. I'm probably just gonna leave the car in jack so I don't like flat side this tire or whatever you call it. I don't want to have to spend money on more tires. I'm kind of broke right now. rather use that to spend on some parts that I need to put on here. Nah, yeah, but so the battery, that thing dead for sure. Like that shit. It's been like a month now. I just got off of work. Yeah, that battery's dead. I've been charging for a little minute. But, however, I got a little sneak peek for the next video for y'all. So just stay tuned for that. Just keep watching.